Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you are going through your Garmin Connect app as usual, you typed your password correctly, your email address and all of this, but still getting the login failed issue. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually fix this type of issues, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first thing first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. We're gonna go all the way and open the Garmin Connect app. As for now, they're gonna show you the login page. All you're gonna do is put your email, then use the forget password. So it will take you basically to another window where basically you can reset your password and try again. Important note, if you have two-factor authentication enabled, you should go and check your email for the verification code and check your spam folder as well. I'm telling you the spam folder since a lot of people just basically totally forget about the spam folder even exists. You should also check your region. Some users in specific regions need to select the correct server on the login screen. Look for any advanced or server selection, then choose your region, for example China, America, Europe, etc. It depends. As for basically the ultimate fix, I call it, it's an app update. An outdated app can cause login failures, it can cause a lot of problems, so go all the way and look for any update considering the Garmin Connect app from your App Store or Play Store depending on your operating system. If it's still failing, uninstall and reinstall your app. And that's it. Thank you all for watching and I will see you all in the next video.